I would like to ask, what is your favorite Yiddish word, phrase, or song?
Oh. um, well, my favorite word right now is probably neppeldick, which means foggy. It was anical for a long time, and I still like that one a lot.
And can you explain why?
It's just the sound of it. It just sounds very Yiddish to me. And whenever I say it, I feel like I need to do this. I didn't do that just then, but I probably should have.
We got the gist.
That's good.
And you've told us about songs, and I know you've been doing sort of idiomatic expressions of the day. Any of those stick with you?
I don't know if I can say any of them in Yiddish, because I don't remember all of the words. I guess I guess I can tell you one in English.
Yeah, please.
I really liked Life is a Dream, but Don't Wake Me Up. I'm often have my head in the clouds, so that made a lot of sense to me.